We all know stress affects the mind, but did you know it can also damage your teeth? Many people grind or clench their teeth when stressed. This is called bruxism. Bruxism slowly wears away enamel, causes sensitivity, and can even crack your teeth. It also puts extra pressure on your jaw, leading to pain, stiffness, and even headaches. The grinding usually happens at night while you sleep, so many do not even realize it is happening. But the good news? Stress management, relaxation, and night guards can protect your teeth. So remember, caring for your mind also protects your smile. A calm mind means healthy teeth.